this is going to be Hail Holy Queen, key of F. For guitarists, that's kind of awkward to play, so I have it I have it in capo 5, playing in C, but that is equivalent to key of F on piano. Hail Holy Queen, we're going to do this kind of similar to how Sister Act, the movie, does it. Not as fast. We're not going to have the slow intro or the rap. But if we can get someone to clap like this, that would be great. I'm going to ask Louisa and see if her kids and godkids and their friends can help. But if not, just play it percussively if you're one of the players. Anyway, the intro is real simple. It's just hitting the piano will be hitting an F, but the guitar is hitting a C in capo 5. So it's just so just simple setting the beat. Okay, so you'll hear me, and then I recorded an audio track to play while I sing for you here that is going to have the harmony. So if someone feels strong enough to do the harmony, let me know. I will send you the audio track that has the harmony all by itself, so that you can practice just that harmony and get used to it, unless you can hear it adequately in this video. But if you can't, I can send you the harmony isolated. Okay, so here we go. And I do make a couple little mistakes in the harmony track. They're not egregious, but just know that I'm not perfect. Okay, I have a 95% success rate, 5% margin of error. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hail, Holy Queen, enthroned above, oh Maria. Hail, Mother of Mercy and of love, oh Maria. Triumph, for ye cherubim, sing with us, ye seraphim. Heaven and earth resound the hymn. Salve, salve, salve Regina. A life of sweetness here below, oh Maria. A hope in sorrow and in woe, oh Maria. Sing for ye cherubim, sing with us, ye seraphim. Heaven and earth resound the hymn. Salve, salve, salve Regina. When our life breath leaves us, oh Maria. Show us thy Son Christ Jesus, oh Maria. Triumph, for ye cherubim, sing with us, ye seraphim. Heaven and earth resound the hymn. Salve, salve, salve Regina. Salve, salve, salve Regina. Okay, so you will hear that the very last line of the chorus, Salve, salve, salve Regina, on the second time I do the chorus, I accidentally slowed that down the first time. Keep it all the right beat all the way through, and then repeat Salve, salve, salve Regina, and slow it down at the end. Okay, so that was a little mistake that I had in the harmony track that I had to kind of play along with when I make this video. But just so you know, we're just going to slow it down that one time, not slow it down twice. Okay? Hope that makes sense.